Your bodies cannot bear Jahannam. If the human in its current form is thrown into Jahannam, he will evaporate. So Allah Rabbul Izzah increases your size to a size that you can bear the punishment of Jahannam. So the Rasul gave us an idea because, just a ratio. He says the tooth of a person in Jahannam will be the size of the mountain of Uhud. Now Uhud is not a hill, it is a mountain. And for those of you who have seen it or haven't seen it, it's a huge mountain range. So the Prophet ﷺ said the tooth of a person in Jahannam is the size of the mountain of Uhud. The thickness of his skin, if a rider were to ride for 3 days straight, that's how thick his skin will become. And when he is placed